Hi, good morning. This is Virgil Ryan with Superior Window Solutions Window Films. We're on site today on a project, our latest project we had here at Coronado Island Resort. The target of this project was to actually give this place a facelift. Upon acquisition by Marriott of this property, they noticed it was ready to come back up to the modern age. Modern age of being energy efficient, having the best views that you can get, and actually giving the clients exactly what they're paying for. And that's why they hired us. We came in. It's a large-scale project, about 24,000 square feet of film that needed removed and then replaced. And we replaced it with a high-performance commercial solar window film treatment, high definition, give them their views, give them their energy efficiency, and give their clients exactly what they're looking for and what they expected on this property. We accomplished the project here in only right about a month. We told them about 6 weeks. Usually what we try to do is beat that timeline, under promise, over deliver, and we achieved that across the board. Clients are very happy, they're ecstatic. We're hoping to get a lot more projects from Marriott as well up the coast. Moving forward, anybody else looking for products and services that we offer can expect us to do safety and security films, anti-graffiti films, heat and glare reduction, increased privacy. As you can see on this property here, you can't see into these windows anymore. Looks great. Clients are private. They can leave everything open and enjoy their views without feeling like you're in a fishbowl. Get a hold of Superior Window Solutions today and we can let you know what we can do to help you with your projects, improve your properties, your homes, your businesses moving forward in the next 10 years. Thanks for listening.